Market Watch. Let's have a look at the quote board called the Market Watch. The Market Watch lists all of the currency pairs, including other instruments that you can elect to trade. The list will depend on the broker you use. Some offer more instruments to trade than others. If the Market Watch section is not visible on your platform, then go to the View tab and enable Market Watch. This should bring it up. As you can see, the Market Watch displays the individual quote prices of all the currency pairs. This data is live, so what you are viewing are actual live exchange prices. The symbol is the instrument listed. The range will include currency pairs, commodities, and indexes. The Market Watch displays important information, such as the bid and ask price of each individual instrument. As you can see, the rates are live, and please note that the difference between the bid and the ask is the spread. To view all the available list, right-click on any of the pairs listed and select Show All. This displays the entire Market Watch list that is offered by Metrader. To load a particular currency pair from the Market Watch onto a chart, left-click on a pair. In this case, we will use the Euro versus the US dollar. Once it is highlighted, hold down your left mouse button and drag it across anywhere in the chart, then let go. You have now updated and loaded your chart with the Euro dollar. This concludes the Market Watch.